Is it time to reboot and re-energize your PBIS or MTSS framework? Many schools across the country are ready to take action. In the quest to create positive and effective school environments, many schools have embraced PBIS and MTSS. These evidence-based frameworks empower educators to foster better learning atmospheres, promoting safety, respect, and academic excellence. However, the challenges arise when staff turnover or leadership changes disrupt the continuity of these initiatives. Often, new staff must be brought up to speed, or policy shifts must be negotiated. This is where COI can step in. We understand the importance of a thriving school climate. That's why we offer several solutions tailored to your school's specific needs. Our expert trainers bring a wealth of knowledge, offering hands-on guidance and insights. We bridge the gaps left by staff turnover, ensuring that your school's initiatives not only continue, but thrive. Let us be the catalyst for change in your school. Together, we can reignite the spirit of PBIS and MTSS, ensuring that every staff member is equipped with the knowledge and tools to make a real difference. Contact us today and let's embark on this journey to transform your school into a thriving, positive, and safe learning environment.